Your legs are getting weaker and you might not even realize it. One day, getting out of a chair feels harder. The next, climbing stairs leaves you breathless. You think it's just aging, but it's not. It's muscle loss. Silent, gradual, dangerous. Weak legs are one of the first signs your body is breaking down. And if you ignore them, your mobility, independence, and longevity are at risk. But here's the good news, you can reverse it. Today, we'll show you 6 powerful foods that rebuild leg strength and stop the decline. Stay with me. One of them might already be in your kitchen. Let's start with sweet potatoes, a superfood for aging muscles. Your legs don't just need strength, they need energy. Sweet potatoes deliver long-lasting energy with complex carbs. Unlike pasta or white bread, they fuel your muscles without crashes. They're also rich in vitamin A, which helps repair muscle tissue. And they're full of potassium, key for preventing cramps and weakness. Plus, they support your gut, and your gut controls how well your muscles absorb nutrients. Roast them, mash them, or bake them. Just eat them regularly. Next up, oats, your leg's secret weapon. As we age, our muscles tire faster, often from poor circulation and low energy. Oats release energy slowly, so your muscles stay fueled longer. They're packed with iron and magnesium, essential for muscle and nerve function. If you've ever had a leg cramp at night, you may need more magnesium. Oats relax muscles and reduce painful spasms. They even contain plant protein to help rebuild lean muscle. Blend them in smoothies or sprinkle over yogurt. They're powerful and versatile. Let's talk about avocados, creamy, green, and powerful. Muscles need healthy fats to stay flexible and pain-free. Avocados reduce inflammation in your joints and muscles. They also have more potassium than bananas for better muscle control. And they contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle from damage. Add them to toast, smoothies, or salads. They're an easy win for strong legs. Now, meet your muscle's bodyguard, berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and muscle damage. They also help your joints stay flexible and pain-free. Vitamin C in berries boosts collagen, critical for tendons and muscle repair. And better circulation means stronger, more energized legs. Eat them fresh, frozen, or blended. Just make them a habit. Next is salmon, a top food for rebuilding muscle. It's rich in protein and omega-3s to reduce pain and improve mobility. It boosts nerve function and helps your legs move smoothly. With B vitamins and healthy fats, it keeps your legs energized and ready. Eat it 2 to 3 times a week, grilled, baked, or in a salad. Last but not least, eggs, one of nature's best muscle foods. They have complete protein to rebuild muscle and vitamin D to boost coordination. Eggs also contain choline, a nutrient that keeps nerves and muscles communicating. They protect against weakness, cramps, and even falls. 1 or 2 eggs a day can make a massive difference. Let's recap. Your legs need real fuel to stay strong after 60. Eat these 6 foods regularly to rebuild muscle and protect against decline. It's not about magic. It's about smart, consistent nutrition. Drop a comment. Which of these foods do you eat? Which one surprised you most? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more weekly health tips. Stay informed, stay healthy, stay strong.